Hello all, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Andhra sweet, that is Rava Laddu or Suji Laddu recipe. It is made up of suji, or we also called as rava, with which we make upma. It's easy and quick. So first let's see the ingredients. First you need grinded elaichi, dry fruits, half cup milk, 1 cup grated coconut, half cup sugar, half cup suji. Take same measurement cup for all the ingredients. Then take 2 tablespoons of ghee and add handful of dry fruits into it. Again here the dry fruits you can add of your choice. I have added chopped badam, cashew and kismis, and I am frying it in desi ghee. You don't have to fry it till it turns golden brown. Just fry it till the kismis gets puffed up, because we want that crunch in our laddu. So the main key for this recipe is the measurement you take. Please take the same measurements as I have shown. So you can see here the kismis has started getting puffed up. So yeah, what I was telling is take the same cup measurement, same cup for all the ingredients to measure. Then I have added 1 full cup of grated coconut. So once your kismis starts puffing up, that is the point where you have to add this grated coconut. That's the checkpoint for the dry fruits to stop it from further cooking, because we want the crunch in that laddus. So again fry this coconut for 2 to 3 minutes. This is done in a low flame. Please remember that it is done in a low medium flame. Don't keep it in high flame, it will get burned. Then with again same cup measurement, 1 cup of suji I have taken and added to this. Then give it a good mix. So after coconut has been roasted for 2 to 3 minutes, I have added same quantity of suji to this. That is 1 cup coconut, grated coconut, 1 cup of suji. Then again you will mix it well and let it get roasted very well till it slightly becomes brown. At least for 5 to 6 minutes you have to fry it. Keep frying it, stirring it, because if you leave it like that it will turn brown. After frying it for 5 minutes, I have added half cup of sugar and cardamom powder. So cardamom is the flavoring agent here, or flavoring ingredient. So you have to powder it and add. Sugar I didn't powder because it gives a nice texture to our laddu. I have added as such. So if you are giving for kids or you want to have it more sweet, so you can even add 1 cup of sugar for 1 cup of suji and coconut, but I have taken half cup of sugar here, which is quite enough. So after adding all these ingredients, give it a nice mix and cook it for 10 minutes. Keep it stirring continuously for 10 minutes on a medium flame. Otherwise, you will burn it. And if you cook it for less time, it won't get cooked. The suji will be raw. So you can see here it's been cooking for 10 minutes now, and I was cooking it, stirring it continuously for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add half cup of milk. Again this half cup of milk you have to keep the same quantity, otherwise it will not become laddu, it will become kheer if you add more milk. And if you add less milk, it won't bind to become a laddu. So I have added half cup of milk only after cooking it for 10 minutes, and it has slightly brown in color it became. So I added milk. You can see it's coming together. So just give it a right mix. Mix it together, everything well. And you don't have to cook it further, just mix it well. And see, you can see here it's all everything has come together well. The main thing is you have to cook it patiently with patience for 10 minutes on medium flame. You have to roast the suji. That's the main thing. So let it cool, get it cool, and then we'll make the laddus. So it has got little cool down, it's still warm, so that's the time when you have to start making laddu, because once it becomes totally cool you can't make it. So when it is warm, so it's very easy to make, as you can see. So this is the way you have to make this rava laddu. Very easy. Make it when it is still warm. So let me make all the laddus with it and show you. See how many laddus I have made with just 1 cup of suji. So many laddus. So it's time to plate. Yummy, delicious, healthy, traditional sweet. Our rava laddus have come out just perfect. Well, you can see all the dry fruits over there. So it's a definite try. Very easy snack, like you can give to your kids during this lockdown. When you want to eat some sweet, you can make it. You can store it for 15 days if you add water instead of milk. But if you add milk, even then it is good for 3 to 4 days. Just let it cool down and then store it in an airtight container. Don't keep in the fridge, just outside. Then it's good to go. You can consume for 4 days. Thanks for watching. Try it and let me know. Bye bye.